Andrew here. This is what's on Facebook posts here, including Kivalina, Red Dogs, Dog, Kotzebue, Shishmaref, Diomede, Wales, Breivik Mission, Teller. At 4:20 for Alaska on Monday, says the 18th, 2024. Blizzard warning. You guys can pause it too, but I'll read it out. In effect for midnight tonight till the 3 p.m. Alaska, Wednesday. What blizzard conditions expected? Visible 1/4 mile or less at times. Snow accumulation to 1 to 6 inches. Winds can gust as high as to 55. Chance of freezing. Rain and ice. Accumulation of light glaze from the Bering coast. Says where again? Kivalina, Red Dogs, Dock, Bolden Peninsula, Shishmaref, Bering Straits coast. Wind from midnight tonight to 3 p.m. Wednesday. Impact. Travel could be very difficult. Areas blowing snow could significantly reduce visibility. Precautionaries per awareness. Says a blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions, unexpected occurrence, or whatever. Falling, blowing snow as strong winds, poor visibility. It's likely this will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extreme difficulty. I just thought I'd share with you all.